Wow. Woo, 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 woo. This is a fish. Wow. 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 Woo. Man. Woo, woo, woo. Ha ha. This is a fish. Woo. Ha ha. Man. Can turn around so you guys can see. Woo! Man, he pulled that drag. Pulled the drag. Woo! Trying to. We are going for a sleigh ride. Woo! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Woo! Aha! Man. Woo! He is pulling. Woo! Woo-hoo! Yes, sir. Woo! Ha-ha! Whoop, whoop, whoop! Woo! And he pulled that drag. Wow! Got a lot of fight in him. Woo! Wow! Look at that fish. Look at that fish. Going under me. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Man, oh man. What a fish, what a fish. Woo! Ah. Wow. Look at that beast. Look at that submarine. Wow. Woo! 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 Yeah, I had the bag, had a plastic bag over the GoPro because it's kind of misting. Keep it dry. Woohoo! That was a sleigh ride. Ah! Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey. Wow. If you guys can see this. It's been a slow morning, but all it takes is one good fish to make it all worthwhile. Look at that beast. Look at that fish. Wow. Look at that beast. Wow. Beautiful striper. Beautiful late Russell stripe. Wow. Let's see what he weighs. Again, I got him on that Redi Rig. I was trolling the kayak about 100 feet with it out, and about 25 feet of line behind the cork, and had about a 7 inch. 7-inch herring. There he is. Yes. lucky number 13, 13 pounds. So good strapper, a lot of fun. Man, did he pull or what? So we're gonna let him go. We'll tow him a little bit. I was rigging up, had a little tangle in one of my planer board lines. But this is a beautiful fish. Wow, beautiful fish. I'll tow him, if you can see, as we tow him. Get him swimming up, right side up. Woo! Ha ha! Yeah, beautiful colors on this fish. Christmas time strapper. Nothing like a sleigh ride. Wow, made my day. So we're gonna release him. Here he goes. Here he goes, buddy. Awesome! Awesome! Whoop, whoop, whoop!